Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. How are you all? I just hope you all be doing good and for sure having a great day. So as you all know, I shared a project with you, Torch, and I shared their price chart to show how high their price are increasing, and I also shared their marketing plans, their listing in different exchanges, and their plan to be listed in CoinGecko. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you some more benefits of Torch, so you will be able to know how good this project is and how good they're benefiting their holders and investors. So Torch price is definitely increasing day by day. Plus, they are having a really good marketing strategy. They are almost trading in just few days. They are trending on all social platforms and everywhere. So you can idealize how far they have grown and how far they can grow. So this is not the end. Now Torch is offering different type of giveaways for their investors, for their holders to create more interest in them. So it will definitely create more hype for Torch. So here on their Twitter page, you can see they're doing a giveaway, and let's read it. It's Torch time. We're giving away $1,000 to Torch holders. To enter, share this post and visit the link they have given. So Torch is doing a giveaway of $1,000 to their holders. You just have to share this post and then you have to visit the link. Here you can see the winning entries. And if you don't have Torch in your wallet, if you're not holder of Torch, so you can't apply for this this giveaway and you can't get this giveaway. So for this, you must have to hold Torch. You must be holder of Torch. And let me tell you one more thing, that you don't have to pay any type of fees. There's no fee for participating in this giveaway. You just have to be holder of Torch. You just have to hold Torch. You just have Torch in your wallet. So if you don't have Torch yet, if you're not holder of Torch yet, so here's the link. You can buy Torch from here. Like you can see here the winning entries and the award that Torch gave to their holders. But if you don't have Torch in your wallet, if you're not holder of Torch wallet, so you won't be able to claim the giveaway. You won't be able to participate in this giveaway. So you must have to be Torch holder to participate in this giveaway. So you can participate in this giveaway daily, and it's not like that if you did not win for today, you cannot win tomorrow. You can try it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Until you have Torch in your wallet, you can try it. You can participate daily in Torch giveaway. Let me tell you one more thing, that you won't be able to participate in this giveaway by showing centralized wallet address like Hotbit or Bitmart. You must need to transfer it to your MetaMask or Trust wallet to be able to claim, to be able to participate in Torch giveaway. So you have to show your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet address to participate in Torch giveaway. So this is really a good giveaway, and you can almost win $1,000 for doing nothing, and you don't have to pay any type of fee. You just have to participate in this, and for participation you just have to be holder of Torch. And if you're not having Torch yet in your wallet, you can buy it from here, from their website. You just have to click on this buy Torch, and you can buy from wherever you want, from whatever wallet you want. Let me tell you, from Uniswap. So if you don't have Torch yet in your wallet, so you can buy it from Uniswap. You just have to connect your wallet and stick the coin which you want to swap for Torch, and that contract address you will get from Torch website. You just have to paste it here. Let me remind you one more time, if you're not holder of Torch, if you don't have Torch in your wallet, you won't be able to claim it. You won't be able to participate in Torch giveaway. And for Torch giveaway, you don't have to pay any type of fees. You just have to be holder of Torch. So if you don't have Torch yet in your wallet, so go and buy it now to participate in their giveaway, and you can surely win around $1,000 of giveaway on daily basis. Thank you for watching.